I am doing some wig prep for my install. I got this hair and I don't mind the color because my hair, I did foils when I did the bleach, and I think this is close to the highlights in my hair, but I didn't expect it to be this light all around. I thought I was getting a mix of like black and this sort of like caramel honey color. So right now I am dye and I'm basically transforming the wefts into something as close to my natural hair as possible, because I'm gonna do oh my gosh, I already messed up my hands, but I'm gonna do a flip over sew-in. So I want my natural texture and the weave or the wefts to be as close in color as possible. So that's my little spielsch, is that a word? That's my little to do activity right now. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I already mixed the color and I'm just like spreading it on here. So now I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. Here, I'm supposed to apply this and leave it on for 25 minutes, but I don't know if you can see the color. It's already black. I feel like I may have done it too much, but I'm not doing like all around, so I think it should still be fine. I should still be able to like get a good final blend of the colors that I need it to be. As I said, I'm trying to get to my natural hair color and like texture as much as possible. Hands are here. All I'm doing is just kind of like going in lines. I'm really just trying to replicate what I have naturally with the wefts so they match and don't look weird. So basically just apply. I already washed these pieces. I got this from Amazon, by the way. I think it's some kind of Brazilian human hair. I don't know. Oh my lord. I should get like a deeper black to get it there. Also, don't forget to like cover your sink with something, because these things, when they stain something white, they're kind of hard to clean off. So I'm just doing this. And after this, we'll leave it for 25 minutes. All right, we're gonna leave this for 25 minutes and we'll come back and it comes with a conditioner, but I'm also gonna add some of the original conditioner that I used. And like I said, I don't think, what am I gonna use the rest of this for? I don't think I can keep it. Yeah, I'm gonna use a little bit more here to kind of like go all around the wefts. This was a mess, but it's okay. Wash everything, we'll condition it using the second step, third step, my bad. Moisture and strength and conditioner. So come back 25 minutes to rinse. Bye. Now we leave it to dry for like another 48 hours. And here is how this turned out. And I'm really happy with how the whole thing turned out. I feel like it matches my hair and it's closer to my hair texture. Not texture, but like the colors much better than before. So I'm really excited. I still have the third piece, which is like more of the, I think this is like color 30-ish. I think so. I could be very wrong here, but I'm really like prepping right now to go for my hair appointment. And I'm late as always, but I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna just do my blow dry because I worked out this morning as usual. My Saturday morning run, we try to get that in every Saturday morning, but today I couldn't do a lot. Today I just did 6 miles because like I didn't want to be late for my appointment. I did for a half marathon, which is like 13.1. Yeah, 13.1. I'm not doing a full marathon this year. This year I'm taking a break from the full because my right and left knee are both punishing me a little bit. Shout out to Agent, yes. I'm just gonna do one half marathon this year. My schedule used to be like, what, a full marathon, and then I would do 2 half marathons. This year, we dialed it all the way down to, I think I've only done one. I'm going to do 13.1 in October, God willing. I tried to sign up for this like summer race I think it was supposed to be today. It was already full when I tried to sign up for it. Trimming my hair is always like interesting because as much as I love it, I've also lost a lot of length, but health over length any day, people. So everything should be dry now. I'm also doing this so they don't have to like do too much before they start doing my hair at the salon. So I'm just gonna be like freedom and justice today on my way out. Sunglasses. Let's go. Oh, my bag. I really like this bag. This is like my new Saturday bag because it can cover and take all of my belongings and property. I also have my snacks. It's gonna take like 3.5 hours and I'm gonna be hungry. Took some Biscoff. I like seaweed. And then what else? That's all I took. Wow. But I just had lunch, so I don't need all of that. All right, let's go. I think that's it. Oh, I also have water somewhere. Okay. See you. I'm gonna take you on the journey. We're gonna go to the salon to get a sew-in. Yes, girl. Let's go. Voiceover Cooks here. So I'm in the salon and I was feeling shy to ask for permission to film. So I really couldn't get a lot of footage, but that was the braid pattern. And now this lady here is being so nice and sewing it in for me. And I really like how she's layering it. I got a side part sew-in. I originally thought I was gonna get a flip over sew-in, but I just wasn't feeling it by the time I got there. So we got a side part and this is how everything turned out. I really love it. I'm gonna have to shape it up, but here is the final look and that's it for today. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you. Jesus loves you more. See you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and do all the fun things. Okay, thank you. Bye.